Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled on 4.28 acres of prime land, this property has exceptional value with great potential for residential, resort, and all types of development. This plantation house and cottage boasts an illustrious history that spans 3 centuries, showcasing a legacy of elegance and grandeur. Just 5 minutes away from Lucea, the bustling capital of Hanover. It finds itself conveniently positioned between Negril and the vibrant city of Montego Bay, as well as the Sangster International Airport. This hidden treasure is ideally located near 3 captivating white sand beaches. The Haughton Court Plantation House and Cottage offers an abundance of features and is ready to be occupied or serve as an income earner. The property has in total 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a helper's quarters, multiple kitchens, spacious living and dining areas, a deck and an L-shaped patio, a garage, and much more. With its distinctive chimney and fireplace, expansive barbecue area, backup generator, water tank and pump, and remote controlled gate, this property presents endless possibilities. The recent opening of a new hotel and the expansion of others in Hanover and Westmoreland makes it ideal to realize a profit on investment. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 750,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.